Hello! In this video, I will show you the shorts creation process. First, let's check the settings. If you click the gear icon at the bottom left, the settings page will appear. Change the UI language to a user-friendly one, and after turning the program off and on again, the UI display language will change. Next, click the Profile Settings menu and change the script language. The script of the generated video will be displayed in the language you set here. Now let's try making a video once. Please click the Auto Video Creation menu on the left. Click New Project and enter a project name to create a project. Press the Script Generation button to generate a script. Topic Input Mode is a mode where you only input the topic and leave everything else to AI. Sentence Regeneration Mode rewrites the script based on the original content by AI. Narration Perspective includes first-person, third-person limited, and omniscient narrator viewpoints. Here, I will set it to first-person perspective and enter a topic. Main genre and subgenre will also help improve the script quality if matched. Please choose a tone among friendly, casual, and formal. The target video type will be shorts. There are 3 modes for automatic video clip types. Free video clips automatically use free video clips from Pixabay. AI images, AI generates images to fit the scenes. The Do Not Generate option means no scene images are generated. If you want to insert images or videos manually for each scene, select this option. In this video, we will proceed with AI-generated images selected. There are various image styles. Choose an image style that suits the video. Please set the desired video length. Also set the range of sentences per scene. Shorts typically use about 2 to 3 sentences, while long-form videos use about 3 to 6 sentences. The draft is currently being generated. Please wait a moment. The draft has been produced. Check the content and press the Confirm button if there are no issues. Now the official script has come out. If there are no problems with the content, go to Character Settings. On the left, there is a character list. On the right, there are the selected character's attributes and reference image settings. Setting reference images helps maintain character consistency, so the character won't change mid-story. You can drag or import images directly, or generate them here as well. This button will generate AI images for all characters at once when there are multiple characters. I will generate directly and proceed. An image came up, and the old man appeared. I will try changing it to a young woman. Change the gender to female, and set the age to around 20. Now, let's generate again. The image has been created and we will proceed with this. Now I will bulk generate images for all scenes. An image that represents each scene will be created. When the draft is generated, choose a style you like. Other scenes will be generated in the same style. It takes a while, so I'll speed it up to show you. All scenes have been created. Please review the scenes to ensure there are no issues. Now, let's choose a template. Templates play a very big role in shorts. You can set the video frame, title, subtitles, channel name display, and other settings in advance, and apply them easily to every video.
걱정 마세요. 아이디어만 있으면 영상은 자동으로
Also,
완성됩니다.
let's listen to the voice in advance. I will try changing the scene transition effects. In the output options, you can control the speed. Usually 120% for shorts, and 110% for long form is recommended. Now let's set the background music. At first, there will be no background music registered. Please click the BGM menu on the left to go to the BGM page. Enter a keyword in the search box to find background music. Preview and download the background music you like. I will download this. Return to the auto video creation page and set BGM again. Select the downloaded file. This asks whether you want to add this background music to favorites. If you click yes, it will be added to favorites for easier setup next time. Now, let's check the title. Titles are very important for shorts. If the title is too long, wrap it into 2 lines. This title looks fine on 1 line, so we'll proceed as is. There are several image effects. You can apply them in order or at random. You can also set effects for each scene, so please note. Now generate the video. Press the video creation button at the bottom. You can choose the target to convert images to video. Here, please choose the conversion engine. If you check this, it will create a seamless motion in looping mode. Usually for shorts, it's recommended to convert the first and second scenes into video to maximize hook effects. The video is currently being generated. If you use image motion features, it will take a bit longer. I will speed up the video playback to show you. Now video generation is complete. Click Open Output folder to check the results. Output MP4 is the resulting video file. You can also see a subtitle file, which is a subtitle file with timing. Uploading it to YouTube can help with SEO. We will conclude this tutorial after watching the final video. Thank you for watching till the end.
요즘 저는 업무에 집중하기가 너무 어려웠습니다. 작은 알림에도 쉽게 산만해지고 해야 할 일은 쌓여만 갔죠. 첫 번째 비결은 바로 방해 요소를 제거하는 것입니다. 저는 스마트폰을 다른 방에 두거나 무음으로 설정하고 불필요한 알림을 모두 껐습니다. 두 번째는 포모도로 기법을 활용하는 것이었어요. 25분 집중 후 5분 휴식을 반복하니 훨씬 효율적으로 일할 수 있었습니다. 세 번째는 집중할 수 있는 나만의 공간을 만드는 것입니다. 깔끔하게 정리된 환경은 마음의 평화와 집중력을 가져다줍니다. 이 세 가지 방법을 실천한 후 저는 집중력이 크게 향상되었고 업무 효율도 훨씬 높아졌습니다. 여러분도 이 비결들을 통해 집중력을 높여보세요. 다음에도 유용한 정보로 찾아올 테니 구독과 좋아요 부탁드립니다.